Hi, this is Pavel. There are cases where no matter what you do, DDS applications do not want to communicate with each other. In this video, I'll share with you 4 reasons why DDS applications don't communicate with each other and how you can verify it and resolve it. Alright, so first, DDS communication can be blocked by a firewall. So make sure you switch off the firewall or disable firewall, and if the applications start communicate and you need to have firewall enabled, you need to set up the rules for DDS traffic for your firewall. Second, DDS uses multicast for discovery. And if you are running your DDS applications on 2 computers and you've got a router between those computers, make sure that the multicast is allowed in the network. If not, you will need to set up initial peers in your DDS configuration files. And how to verify that multicast is enabled in your network? The easiest way is to use a RTI Perftest tool, which is free, available on GitHub, or general purpose multicast test tool like MCastTest tool. Alright, so the third one, make sure you've got your QoS settings compatible between your DDS applications, because you need the right topic name, you need right data type, but these you can verify easily, but you also need a compatible QoS settings between your applications, because other way, even though you've got the same type and same topic name and you've got incompatible QoS settings, your DDS applications won't communicate with each other and you don't know why. So make sure you've got compatible QoS settings. But how you can verify it? It's a little bit complex, because you will need to look at your QoS files. But there are tools from the DDS vendors like RTI Admin Console or Fast DDS Monitor, where you can find these information about it. And the fourth issue that can come up with DDS communication is that when in your network is a router that uses and control the multicast delivery with IGMP snooping, DDS application can stop communicating after a while. So if it happens, make sure that you disable this feature on your router or switch. Alright, and if all of these 4 will not help you, in that case you will need to start a Wireshark tool and start to debug it with this tool and find the root of your problem with this tool, but it's more complex. So there were four reasons why your DDS application don't communicate with each other. So it was firewall, you need to disable it, make sure you've got multicast enabled in your network, otherwise you need to set initial peers, make sure you've got QoS compatibility and IGMP snooping disabled. And for general purpose or for every debugging, I advise you to use RTI Perftest tool, which is free, and you can easily validate if DDS communication is working and that DDS is not a problem, but your code is. So I hope that these advices help you, and at least in the future will save you some time with debugging DDS applications. Bye.